Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vikas Sharma. I'm a dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon at Derma One Clinic. We get a lot of questions about saw palmetto and its use in hair loss therapies, especially in male pattern hair loss. So today's video is going to be about saw palmetto. I will be describing what saw palmetto is, how it works, what are the effects and side effects of saw palmetto. Let's first discuss what saw palmetto is. So it basically is a small palm tree, the extracts of which are said to have anti-androgenic effects. What it means is that the extracts of saw palmetto, they are able to reduce the levels of male hormones in our body. This is what the postulated mechanism of action is. The mechanism of action, what it means is that we should know how it acts. The postulated mechanism, as I said, is the reduction of male hormones. Now, it has been found that it does reduce the male hormones to a very small extent in our body, especially the hormone DHT, which is primarily responsible for hair loss in men. It also inhibits 5-alpha reductase. This is an enzyme in our body. So what happens is, our males, especially, they have a hormone called testosterone in their body. So testosterone gets converted into dihydrotestosterone, which is DHT for short. So 5-alpha reductase is the enzyme which mediates this conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone. Now, when it inhibits this enzyme, it reduces the DHT production in our body. The other mechanism that is that has been found in mice is that it reduces the inflammation in the tissues. Now, this is just a tissue study, so we can't really rely on it, especially because it has been conducted on mice tissue. And the third mechanism is that it reduces the uptake of male hormone by the hair follicles. So if the uptake is reduced, theoretically it can enhance the hair growth in the areas affected by male hormones. Now, coming to the effects of saw palmetto. Saw palmetto has been used quite commonly, especially since it is primarily available as an over-the-counter medicine in a lot of countries also. But the effects, the scientific studies that have been conducted on saw palmetto, they are very few. The studies which have been conducted, they have found that it is effective to a certain extent. Since the number of studies were small and the number of participants in those studies were also small, so this data cannot be really generalized into to the entire population. But whatever the studies have shown, they have shown that the effects are there. They are a little bit less as compared to the more established therapies such as minoxidil and finasteride. It has worked in the oral form. What that means is, if you take it as a tablet, it has worked in that manner also. It has worked in the topical form also. There are some lotions which have been tried and they have also been found to be useful a little bit. So primarily the area which benefits from the use of saw palmetto is the crown. This area, the back side of the head, is what benefits primarily from the use of saw palmetto. Now, coming to the side effects of saw palmetto, there have been few side effects which have been observed. Primarily, it causes some stomach discomfort. The major concern of using saw palmetto, especially in elderly individuals, is the chance of missing prostate carcinoma. So there is reduction in the prostate specific antigen PSA levels in the blood when we use saw palmetto. So if somebody is being screened for prostate cancer in that age, then there is a chance of missing that diagnosis. Other than that, there are other side effects also of saw palmetto, but they are very few and uncommon. To conclude, saw palmetto, there are some studies to support its use. It has been shown to be a little bit effective, but whether it can replace the more established therapies like finasteride, minoxidil, PRP, etc., I don't think so. If somebody is really reluctant to use all these therapies and has not gotten good response out of it, then yes, maybe saw palmetto can be considered as an alternative. But since the scientific studies conducted on saw palmetto are a little bit scarce, you can't really consider it as a first-line therapy for hair loss. So I would recommend that you consider it only as maybe a 7th or number 8 or number 7 or number 8 option, and instead go for better and more established therapies if you are looking to treat your hair loss. This video is also available in Hindi on our YouTube channel. You can watch it if you would like to watch it in Hindi.
Please subscribe to our channel, and for more such videos and information, please click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.